In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Wix account. Before we get started, just a quick note. Deleting your Wix account is a permanent action. Once you complete this process, you won't be able to access your sites, dashboards, or any data associated with that account. So make sure you've already backed up anything important, like text, images, or settings you might want to reuse later. First, log into your Wix account in your web browser. Once you're on the main dashboard, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. This might appear as your profile picture or as a generic avatar. Click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu that gives you access to various account-related options and settings. From that menu, look for the option that takes you to your account settings. On the account settings page, scroll until you find the section related to closing or deleting your account. You should see a link or button labeled Close Your Account. Go ahead and click on Close Your Account. This will take you to a dedicated page that explains what closing your account means and what you should expect. On the account closure page, Wix will usually ask you to fill in some details. This might include confirming your identity, selecting a reason for leaving, or providing feedback about your experience. Take a moment to read what's on the screen carefully. Fill in the requested fields honestly and completely. This helps ensure that your request is processed correctly, and in some cases, it can also help Wix improve their service based on your feedback. Once all the details are filled in and you're absolutely sure you want to proceed, look for the button that says Close Account. Before you click it, double check that you've cancelled any active subscriptions, premium plans, or domains connected to this account, as those may need to be managed separately. When you're ready, click on Close Account. After you click, Wix may show a final confirmation and message to let you know that your account is being closed or has been scheduled for deletion. Follow any on-screen prompts and then you're done. Your Wix account is now in the process of being closed. That's all you need to do to delete your Wix account step by step.